Yo you guys, it's Badger here, and today we have a wireless keyboard which is for your iPad. And yeah, I was looking for a better keyboard for my iPad since I don't know, I'm not the biggest fan of Apple, but since we got one for work as our working device, I was looking for a better way to cover or protect it, and where I would actually get myself a keyboard because I really hate typing on the Apple device itself, and that's where we're at now. So let's throw all this aside and have a look what we are getting here. So there's different colors as well. We got the reddish, pinkish, metallic look. In the back you can see already there's a hole, so you actually get to see your Apple logo. There's is pretty tough to open. It feels almost like a little laptop. Okay, cool. Also it looks kind of like a little laptop. So we got a holes and all for our device here. That's a plus. And there's a little hole for the Apple Pen. We got a decent looking keyboard here. And I would say we turn that on if I figure out where and when. Where's the power? So, oh, we got a nice touchpad here as well. That's good. But anyway, oh, there it is. Let's turn that on. And we got an RGB effect here. Different colors we can choose from. Blue, red, yellow, purple, all that. Quite a lot going on here, which is kind of cool. Yeah, you can look for whatever you prefer. And I would say we slap our iPad in here and check that out, how it's gonna look. Just make sure it's the right way around. And if it actually holds up, obviously. That would been a bummer if it would be too heavy for the case to hold it, but it looks like it's doing a good job. It's hitting in there, it's covered, it's holding it. And now to the fun part. We can close it easily. We have our logo here to show that off if that's something you are worried about. Then on the back we got onto slippery feet, which is good. As I said, there's room for the pencil, and sure, we can just scoop that in so we got a full idea what it would look like. And that's gonna be it for today's video, you guys.